Hello guys, in this video I want to show you unboxing video of 4G PT camera from Hikvision. Okay, take a look. This is the 4G camera using the it's already have the battery bank. Solar panel. It means this one is you no need to use the power cable or internet cable to give it the connection. This one using SIM. Okay, take a look. This one is the model of DS-2CFSP4 4G. Length is about 2.8 millimeter, and this is the resolution is 4 megapixel. Okay, take a look about the special function of this camera. Just like the this one had the always on video. It means 24 hours it had the video for you, just like the not continuous when it's no action and no have the motion video. It will save your storage and also the bandwidth. It comes with the 8 watts solar panel and battery 9000 milliampere. It support 4G LTE, smart hybrid light, 30 meter white light and IR. Just like you can switch the smart hybrid light, just like when it have the motion of the skin had the human inside, or just like the vehicle or animal, it will using the white light to have the color image, color video. And when it's not have anything in the scene, we use the IR to save the power. Okay, it have the motion detection, support person and vehicle detection, two-way radio. It has the microphone and a speaker built-in, IP66 water and dust resistant. Okay, this one have the smart tracking. It means when you the scene had the human inside or just vehicle come inside in the image, it will follow you. The PT camera can follow you till it's out of the scene. This one also have the smart function. Okay, I will open the box. Okay, this one is the PT camera. Okay, plastic. This one is the antenna. This one is the power cable. It's using the mounting bracket. Okay, this one has white light and also the IR light, smart hybrid light. Okay, this one is the 2.8 millimeter length. This one the micro built-in, micro here, and a speaker here to support you the two-way communication. Okay, right here. This one can I will open for you to see what inside. Okay, take a little bit time, but I will open it for you. Okay, so this one is support the IP6 66. So we have the rubber band here to avoid the water come inside. Okay, this one is a reset key. When you just like unbinding the account or you forget the passwords. Okay, this one is reset key. Okay, this one is SIM slot. Already have the SIM inside. This one is micro SIM. Okay, this one is micro SIM. Okay, this is the micro SD card slot. It can support to 512 gigabyte to extend the storage time. Okay, see here closely. Reset key, SIM slot, micro SD slot. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, this one is the battery. This one is recharge iron battery pack. Okay, this is the spec of the battery pack here. You can see. This one is 9,000 milliampere battery. You can use in just like up to 7 days. If no have the solar power, this one can use. This one, yeah, have the Type C connection. You can connect to the solar panel. Okay, and this one is the cable connect to the cameras. Later I will show you how it's work. Okay, you can unpack its battery and just like buy the new one when this one cannot use anymore. You can use buy separately. Okay. Okay, this one is the also bracket for the cameras. You can see here. Oh, see. This one is wall mount, and this one is ceiling mount. Have two types. One is ceiling mount. Yeah. Two types of mounting camera. Ceiling. And this one is the wall mounting. Okay, next. This is the bracket, mounting bracket. This is bracket. Okay, the last one. Nothing more. Okay, the last one is the solar panel. This one is the 8-watt solar panel. Is supply the power for the power bank, and power bank connect to the camera to operate the cameras. Okay. Okay, this one has the just like the resin, a little bit hard. Okay. Okay. Okay, so also have the screw part. So this is all separately item of the solar 4G PT cameras. So I will a little bit connect it to you guys to see. Okay, first one is the camera to the battery. This one also support the water resistant. Okay. This is the package for the solar panel, and mount like this. Yeah, okay. This one is 2-meter cable. You can mount it a little bit far away from the cameras. Okay, okay, it's already work. This still have the power. Okay, the power bank, you can connect the solar panel like this. Okay, okay, done. Now it's work.
Network connected. Scan the QR code to add the device by Hikconnect app.
Okay, it's already on, and our part just using the app to scan it through Hikconnect application. This one is open for pairing. Okay, you see, only like this. This one charge the battery, and battery supply the power for the camera here. So that's all. We have all the kit here, can work independent. No need to mount the power cable or internet. This one is also cheap. It's around the $90. Very cheap. Hikvision is a very big brand in the world. It's the top one CCTV and security brand in the world. Okay, so if you guys want to video of installation and using this on the Hikconnect app, just subscribe and like the video, and also tell me if you want the clip how to use it. Okay, thank you guys, that's all. Okay, you can see a little bit more about the function here. Just review using app Hikconnect. It's just 4 steps to add the camera into the app and using it. Okay, AOV. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe and like and share the video. Thank you.